Sure. Electric potential due to dipole. Okay, so I'm going for your electric potential due to a dipole particulation. First one is on the axis. I'm not doing the derivation. First one is on the axis, if I'm talking about like a bar magnetism only, on the axis of a dipole. What is a dipole, beta? Magnitude of the charge into distance between them, q into yes. So on the axis of a dipole at a distance r from center of dipole, from the center of your dipole. So if I'm talking about your axis of your dipole, let's say this is your negative charge and this one is your positive charge. What is the direction of a dipole, beta? Dipole direction is always from your negative to your positive. So direction of dipole is always from negative to your positive vector quantity, and the distance between them is nothing but from the center means O, and this distance, if I'm taking this one as of your L, this distance is also equal to your L. So total distance is how much for me? 2L. Now I'm taking some point on axis somewhere here, somewhere at a point P. From the center, this distance is at a distance of your R. Okay, that means this distance will become for me how much? R minus of your L from plus Q. And this distance will become for me R plus L from the minus of Q.
Yes.
Isn't it? So that is a basic condition. Direction of the dipole is always from where, beta? From your negative. Okay. Now tell me what will be the formula for this one, beta? On the axis, if I am writing the relation, potential on your axis will be equal to your K into your P divided by R square minus of your L square. R square minus of your L square part. This is standard relation you need to remember, beta. Okay. So for your L, which is very lesser than of your R, that means L is tending to your 0. L is tending to your 0. In this one, if I take L to be 0, then what will be the potential on the axis, beta? Potential on your axis for short dipole. For your short dipole. For your short dipole. What will be the answer, beta? This will be K into P by R square. Potential due to your dipole, short dipole is K into P by R square. What is the value of K? K value is 1 by 4 pi epsilon.
Yes.
Okay. Similarly, what is the electric field, beta? Electric field on the axis due to the short dipole will be equal to 2 times of your K into your P bar divided by your R cube. Divided by your R cube. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay, now?
Yes, sir.
These were the two important formulas you need to remember. On the axis, it is K into P divided by R square minus L square. On the axis, the dielectric field is 2K into P by R cube. Potential on the axis will be equal to K into P divided by your R square particulation. Is that clear? Sure. Next one, if I'm talking about on equatorial line. On your equatorial line. Equatorial line of your dipole, that is nothing but perpendicular bisector of your dipole. Perpendicular bisector of your dipole. Okay, now see, this one is right now some charge here right now. This one is nothing but of your minus Q, and this one is nothing but of your plus Q. And the distance between them is something like this, and this is the center, this is the O, this is your L, and this is also your L. So total distance between them is nothing but 2L. Now I'm taking the point on the perpendicular bisector right now. This is your perpendicular bisector, this distance is at your R. Obviously this distance and this distance will be equal to how much, beta? So this will become for me under root of your L square plus of your R square. And this one is under root of your L square plus of your R square.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Now potential at this point P, this is your point P. On equatorial position, the potential is always equals to your 0. Potential on equatorial position will be equal to your, how much better? On equatorial is equals to 0. Try to remember this one. No need of derivation, try to remember it directly, because that will be an equipotential. It will be
Okay.
equidistance from both of the surfaces. So can I make one general formula for this one? So there is one general formula for this one. The general formula says for me this one as V is equals to, at any general point if I'm taking, potential will be equal to, at any position it will be equal to your K into your P into your cos theta divided by your R square, divided by your R square. This is your potential form. Now take theta 0. Cos 0 is how much?
9,
1.
1, sir, sorry.
Isn't it? So that will become for me Kp by R square. If I take theta 90 degrees, cos 90 is 0.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So that will be the answer for that one. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So that was about your electric potentials due to the dipole on your general position. I hope you got rough idea related to this one.
Yes, sir.
What is the relation between electric field and electric potential? I told you better. Relation between electric field and electric potential will be equal to how much? E is equals to minus of your dV by your dx.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Electric potential and the electric field is equals to how much? E is equals to your minus of your dV by your dx part of relation. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Then next one is about your, is what is the other topic you need about this one better? Potential energy good undi kada?
Yes, sir.
So what is the potential energy formula better? What is the potential energy formula? Electric potential energy formula is how much? I told you this one already. Electric potential energy. Electric potential energy represented by letter U. Represented by letter U. So U will be equal to how much better? U is equals to your K into your Q1, Q2 divided by your R.
Yes, sir.
U
Yes,
is equals to your K into your Q1, Q2 divided by your R part of relation.
yes, sir. Good.
This one is equals to this much. And any number of pairs, any number of pairs, you can go on add that one and try to simplify the problem for the given condition.
Okay, sir.
Sure. See this one question I'm giving you. Say for example, we got three charges Q, comma, plus Q, and another charge is of your plus Q. Okay, these three charges are placed at the vertices of a right angle isosceles triangle. Okay, the net electrostatic energy of configuration is 0 if the value of Q is dash. I'll give the options for this one better. First option is for me minus of 2Q. Second option is minus of Q divided by 1 plus of root 2. And third option is your plus Q. And fourth option is minus of root 2 into Q divided by root 2 plus of your 1. And diagram is given in the problem better. This is the given diagram. Okay. Isosceles triangle. This one is making an angle of your 90 degrees, and here there is some charge Q, and here there is your plus Q, and this one is of your plus Q. Clear? So what is that? Three charges Q, plus Q, and plus Q are placed at the vertices of a right angle isosceles triangle. The net electrostatic energy of the configuration is given as 0. That means this distance is equals to 1. This distance is 1. So obviously this distance will become for me root 2.
Yes, sir.
Now, total electrostatic energy is how much for me? 0. U
Yes,
is equals to 0. Now tell me how
Yes.
many pairs you can make better. Between capital Q and small q, we can make
pairs.
1 pair. Between these two, we can make 1 pair. And between these two, we can make 1 pair.
1 pair. 3 pairs total.
So totally how many pairs? I'm able to make for me right now 3 pairs.
3,
Now
sir.
write the
Yes.
3 pairs right now for the first one. So unit is equals to 0 property for the first one. K into capital Q small q divided by your 1. Plus
Yes,
next
sir.
one is nothing but K into Q divided by your 1. Plus next
Yes,
one is
sir.
of your K into capital Q into
Capital
small
Q
q
into
divided by distance is root 2.
root
That will
2.
be
Yes.
equal to 0. Isn't it?
Yes,
So what
sir.
I can take common in this one beta, capital K is a common, small q is
Q is
also
also.
common. So in this one capital Q plus small q divided by q by your root 2, that will be equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
So this K and small q, though if it goes down there, that is also becoming for me there 0. That means this will given for me capital P small q plus of your q by root 2 will be equal to totally 0.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? That means from this one I can write here all the q terms on one side. Q plus of your q by root 2 will be equal to how much for me? Minus q.
Minus Q. Yes.
So in this one I can take q common beta. So it is q into 1 plus 1 by root 2 is equals to minus of q.
Yes, sir.
So this one is q, just take the LCM. This will become for me root 2 plus 1 divided by root 2. That is equals to
Taking
minus
this,
q. That means capital Q will become how much for me beta? Capital Q will be equal to your minus
root
of
2
your root
minus
2
of root 2 into Q
divided
by
by root 2
root 2
plus
plus
of your 1. So this will be your capital Q value. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
So that is the way how do we do the relations for that part. Clear?
Yes, sir.
One more relation for the energy beta. You can just keep a note right now. Energy can also be calculated by the formula mass beta mass nical. So U is equals to your U is equals to your Q into your delta V. Energy is also equal to your how much beta? The product of your charge into your potential difference. Okay, charge can also be taken as of your charge of electron beta. Charge of your electron. You know that 1 electron volt is equals to how much beta? 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joules. I hope you remember this one. Chemistry level.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, na? So that is the way how do you remember the relation related to that one. Okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
Sure. One more very important. Potential energy of a system of two charges in an external field. That means they are kept in some external field. Already the charges having their own charges. Apart from that one, they are kept in some external field. Like say, this is the charge Q1 and this is the charge of your Q2 and the distance between them is nothing but equal to your X. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now this is your electric field. Say for example, some field is there. So some field, in this field we are keeping this one. This is your electric field. So potential, this one is a point A and this one is of a point B. So here will be potential A and here will be the potential B. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So when external system is being kept right now, how do you write the relation is the potential energy of the system will be equal to charge Q1 into potential of your A plus a charge Q2 plus potential of your B plus also the interaction energy between them, that is K into Q1, Q2 divided by distance between them. So this will be the potential energy of the system when it is being kept in a external field. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
External field పెట్టినప్పుడు ఈ Q1 పైన potential ఉంటుంది, ఈ Q2 పైన potential ఉంటుంది in this one. If external field is absent, this Q1 into QA and Q2 into QB will become 0. Okay, so I'll write here if external system is absent. If external system is absent, then potential energy of the system will become for me how much? Potential energy of the system will be equal to, this will become for me K into Q1 into Q2 divided by X. So this will be the potential energy of the system.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this one?
No, sir. Got it.
Sure. Very good. Next. Electric potential energy. Electric potential energy of an electric dipole. Of an electric dipole in uniform electric field. In uniform electric field. Okay.
Yes,
We're
sir.
talking about your this one. Okay. So here this is your electric field. Clear, beta?
Yes,
In this
sir.
one, we are keeping a dipole. We are keeping a dipole like this. Okay. So
Yes,
here
sir.
there is one charge. This is minus q. And here there is one charge. This will be equal to plus q. And this is the center of this one. This is your 0. This distance is L. This distance is your L. And force acting on this one is how much, beta? Can you tell me? So force acting on this one is F is equals to your F is equals to E into Q in this direction. Here this one is equals to your F is equals to E into your Q in this direction. And it is making an angle theta with your magnetic electric field. Sorry. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now direction of the force is clear.
Direction. Yes, sir. It's
Isn't it? It is making an
yes,
angle
sir.
theta, beta. So what is the
Yes, sir.
dipole formula? Dipole formula is what for me? P is equals to magnitude of the charge into distance between them. That is nothing but equal to your 2 into your L. And direction is always from your negative to positive. Dipole moment direction is from your negative to positive. This is the direction of your P bar. Dipole moment.
Yes, sir.
The net force acting on this one, beta, can you tell me? What is the net force? Net force enta? Positive x-axis la E cube, negative x-axis la E cube.
Yes, sir.
And opposite forces. So enta?
0, sir.
0. So this
Yes,
is your 0. Net force is always 0 when it is in the uniform electric field. Then torque acting on that one is calculated by the formula tau is equals to your P bar cross of your E bar. Or that is equals to your PE into your sine theta. So torque acting on a dipole kept in a uniform magnetic field is your tau is equals to P into sine theta part of relation. And this torque is always along the direction of electric field, beta. Tau
okay,
is
sir.
along the direction of electric field. Direction of your electric particulation. Okay. Now if I'm rotating from your theta 1 to theta 2, beta, this one. If I'm rotating from your theta 1 to theta 2, I'm not writing everything, I'm just telling you roughly, student. Is
Okay,
our
sir.
system right now. This is your minus q and this is your plus q. And with the x-axis, it was making an angle theta 1. Now I'm rotating it to your new angle right now. This is right now. This is your plus q. And this one is right now your minus q. That means this angle is how much for me? Your theta 2.
Theta. Yes,
So I'm
sir.
rotating it from your theta 1 to theta 2. That means I'll be doing some external work, beta. So when
Yes,
I'm
sir.
rotating, if a dipole is rotated, I'm writing here, if your dipole is rotated, from theta 1 to theta 2. So we do
Yes,
certain
sir.
work, we do some work. Work in rotation is given by the formula W is equals to your torque into your angular displacement theta. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So now we are rotating from theta 1 to theta 2. Theta 1 to theta 2 is a clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction?
Anti-clockwise, sir.
So anti-clockwise direction for small angle, if I'm writing, dW will be equal to your tau into your d theta, can I write?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Now torque formula is already known for me, beta. dW is equals to your tau. Tau value is how much for me? Can you tell me? This is nothing but equal to your how much for me?
dW by dt.
E into
That
your
is-
sine theta kada torque.
Yes, sir.
Into your d theta. Into your d
D
theta.
theta. Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? As it is a dot product right now for me, it will become for me how much better? Cos of your theta. Cos of
Yes,
your
sir.
theta. Now what is the angle between the torque and as well as of your electric field, beta? when you're doing an external work right now, electric force, if I'm doing, it will be your negative. So when you're doing the work against this one, so this will become for your negative. Work done due to the electric field will be equal to your negative.
Negative.
What electric
Yes,
field will be. So dW will be equal to your minus of PE is your out. This one is integral of your sine theta into your d theta. From theta 1 to your theta 2. Integral of d theta is how much, beta? Integral of d theta will be equal to, this is minus of your P into integral of your sine theta is minus of your cos theta. Limits are for me theta 1 to your theta 2. Minus minus will become for me plus. So
Yes,
dW will be equal to, dW will be equal to your PE into your cos of your theta. Limits will be from theta 1 to theta 2. This is also integral 0 to your W. So total work done will be equal to how much, beta? Integral of dW is nothing but W. So W is equals to your PE into your. This will become for me your cos upper limit minus lower limit. That is
lower
cos
limit,
theta
theta
2
2,
minus of your cos theta 1.
cos theta.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
9, 9, 6, 15. 5. 5. Let's into रिमाइंडर को ऐड करना, ऐड कर सकते, डिस्कस दुनिया पर बन जाता है 9 हाँ 9 अच्छा वो भी ट्राई करो फिर एक बार मतलब यहाँ टेबल पे गलत करेंगे तो पेमेंट चलो. So this is the work done I can write, beta. So work done is equals to your PE
Yes,
into your, so this one is your PE into your cos theta 2 minus of your cos theta 1. Clear, beta?
yes, sir.
Now if I'm writing the potential energy in this one, so I'm not doing that all derivation right now for the given condition. I'm directly writing the relation. When you're rotating a dipole in your electric field, the potential energy at any angle theta is given by the formula minus of your PE into your cos of your theta.
Okay, sir.
Isn't it? That means you're taking theta 1 is equals to how much? 0 degree and theta 2 is equals to 90 degrees.
90. Yes, sir.
That will become for me how much? If theta 2 is 0, this will become for me 0. Theta 1 is nothing but cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. So it is minus of your PE into your cos theta part of relation.
Yes, sir.
For everyone. Is it
Yes.
clear? Okay. So work done in rotating a dipole will be always be equal to how much, beta? Work done by n dipole will be. This is because of your electric. This is because of your electric force. Okay, if I'm talking about external, work done rotating the dipole, external will be equal to how much, beta? Work done by an external force. Electric force is the cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1, beta. If it is an external, this will be equal to your PE into your cos theta 1 minus of your cos theta 2. Okay, just make a difference of this one. This is due to external force and that is due to the electric force. This one is nothing but of your electric force. Electric force. Electric force on cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1, and if it is external, then it will be your cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So generally you try to remember with electric field only, beta. That is only the basic formula we need to remember. Work done in rotating the dipole in the electric field is given by this one, and potential energy formula will be equal to your PE into your cos theta part of relation. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is about your relation we need to write. And you already know the basics of this one, beta. Potential energy, whenever we are writing part of relation, potential energy is always equals to, just keep a note and write for this one, beta. Change in potential energy is equals to your final position minus of your initial position. That is equals to minus of work done by your electric force. Clear? This is a general change. This already I told you in the work power energy concept. Change in potential energy is final energy minus initial energy. That will be equal to your negative of your electric force. Negative of your electric force part of relation. Is it clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it clear? So let us try to do one problem better. Now tell me, what will be the potential energy of this one if it is been oscillating in a dipole? Like say for example, just write a question here. So this one is, what is what is the potential energy of the charge? What is the potential energy of the charge and dipole system as shown in figure? As shown in figure. Just a minute. Okay, we got a charge
Yes.
here right now. See here, this is some charge Q, and this is your given condition, and we are having a dipole here right now. Okay, and dipole is in this direction, P bar. Electric field is also in this direction. That is nothing but E bar. This is a charge Q. The distance between this center and this charge, this one is nothing but origin uncontained. This distance is nothing but equal to your A. This is a given system right now.
Yes.
Okay, now what is the potential energy is asking. What is the potential energy part? What is the potential energy formula? U is equals to minus of your PE into your cos theta. Now tell me what is the angle between, theta is what, beta? Angle between electric field and dipole?
Yes, sir.
What is an angle between them here? Theta is equals to 0 degrees because
Zero. Yes, sir.
direction, electric field is
Same
also
direction.
in the same direction. So it is minus of your PE. Electric field due to the dipole will be equal to how much? Beta? K into Q divided by your A square into your cos 0. Electric field
Yes,
due to
sir.
dipole on axial position, if I'm writing it, is K into Q divided by your A square for the short dipole. That means
Yes,
this will
sir.
become for me how much? Minus of your P into your Q divided by K value is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into your A square. This will be the potential energy. Which in the K value is
Sir.
1 by 4 pi into your epsilon. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
So that was about your potential energy of this one. So generally problems are generally based upon these two basic standard formulas. You need to remember beta, and you need to remember the dipole, all the formulas. You try to do one thing, try to write all the dipole formulas due to the electric and the potential at one place. So it will be easy for you for doing the numericals related to that one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
चले जाओ 640 हो गया था. కెపాసిటర్ స్టార్ట్ అయిందా కాలేజ్లో?
లేదు సార్, ఇంకా స్టార్ట్
చేయలేదా ఇంకా?
లేదు సార్.
Add 8 add कर दूंगा. 0 plus 8. चलो, see this question बेटा. 3-point charges. Three-point charges. Plus
Sir, those books you told you're gonna tell, sir.
Yeah, I'll send you today, beta.
Okay, sir. And I searched, sir, but there are many different kinds of books coming, sir.
I'll send you today. You just remind me today at night.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So 3-point charges plus Q plus 2Q and capital Q are placed at the vertices of an equilateral triangle. Okay. Find the value of the charge, बराबर हुआ, of the charge capital Q in terms of small q, so that electric potential energy of system is 0. So one try చేస్తావా? ఇంతకు ముందు చెప్పిన క్వశ్చన్ ఇది.
Yes.
Got 3 point charges plus q plus 2q and q are placed at the vertices of equilateral triangle. Previously we took what type of a triangle?
Isosceles.
Now this is an equilateral triangle. Sorry. Okay.
Yes.
And angle made by this one is how much for me? Equilateral triangle. One charge
60
is kept
degrees.
here. Yeah, this one is your plus q, and another one is nothing but of your plus 2q. Nothing distances are being given means all the distances in equilateral triangle will be same. So this
Yes.
will be equal to 60. This is also your 60. This is also your 60. How many pairs I can make better?
Please, sir.
3 pairs. So potential energy of the system is equals to how much he has given for me? 0.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Now write the system right now. So what is the system formula? K into capital Q small q divided by 1 is 1 plus K into capital Q into 2q is 1 pair.
Yes.
Next one is nothing but of your K into this one is a Q into your 2q divided by this is also your 1. So this
Yes,
total
sir.
system is equals to 0. So what is common in this one beta? K is a common, small q is a common into capital Q plus in this one it is nothing but of your 2q plus in this one is nothing but 2q, that is equals to 0. And take q plus 2q plus of your 2q is also equal to 0. So I need the answer in terms of what beta? 2q and 3q. 2q I can become for me 3q, that will be
Yes,
equal
sir.
to minus of 2q. So can I write capital Q is equals to how much beta? Capital Q is equals to minus of your 2q divided by 3.
3. Yes, sir.
That will be the answer for this. What an idea how to do the problem related to that one?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Isn't it? So if the 3 charges are being given, that is a basic condition to do the problems part of relation. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Potential ఇంకా చాలా ఉంది కానీ I don't know one condition. కెపాసిటర్ స్టార్ట్ చేయలేదు ఇంకా కాలేజ్లో?
లేదు సార్, స్టార్ట్ కాలేదు సార్.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ రోజు ఏం జరిగింది?
ఏం లేదు సార్, ఉట్టిగా ఓన్గా చదువుకోమని చెప్పారు సార్, ఎందుకంటే ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంది సార్.
ఓకే. Okay. What I'll do is today I'll set you an assignment beta on these topics. I'll try to first revise ఒకసారి waves మొత్తం ఒకసారి చదివేసుకో. We'll randomly try to do the numericals on your waves.
Okay, sir.
కదా చేసేది.
అవును సార్.
So we'll try to complete your waves once the fastest revision tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday kabatti.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow waves oka half an hour and what do you call that one?
Magnetism, sir.
And yeah, magnetism oka half an hour. I'll select some 20 questions and I'll send you today. So that 20 questions chesko mundu ee roju em chesarante you try to complete that PYQ questions first.
Okay, sir.
PYQ questions చేసుకుంటే అన్ని చాప్టర్లు అన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ ఒకటే చోట అయిపోతుంది. Like if you do the sound, there are 30 or 40 questions in that one, or maybe 50 questions. That means complete chapter will get revised in that one.
Yes,
all
sir.
the formulas will recollect with you. So try to take a pen and paper and try to keep it on your paper and try to do it out.
Okay, sir.
Okay na?
Yes.
ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ పంపిస్తున్నారా మీకు?
క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ పంపించలేదు సార్.
ఓకే. ఇంకో ట్రాక్ లో ఏం నడుస్తుంది
సార్? అంటే ఫస్ట్ ట్రాక్ లో ఏమో ఆప్టికల్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్స్ కదా సార్, కానీ అక్కడ లైక్ టుడే ఆల్సో దే డిడ్ంట్ టీచ్ ఎనీథింగ్ సార్ బికాజ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ దేర్.
Last time I have sent you some assignment. Have you completed them? Any doubts?
Yes, sir. Optical instruments I started, sir. I did a few questions, sir, in there.
నేను చాలా పంపించాను నీకు నేను.
అవును సార్. I did a few questions.
ఈరోజు కంప్లీట్ చేయ ఆప్టికల్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్స్. టుమారో విల్ ట్రై టు డిస్కస్ దెమ్ ఫస్ట్లీ.
Okay, sir.
Optical instruments మొత్తం ఒకసారి డివైడ్ చేద్దాం because that is very important for your
around 20 questions.
Yeah,
yes sir,
very important
questions.
for competitive examinations. ఒకసారి అది రివైజ్ చేయి అండ్ waves అన్ని ఫార్ములాస్ ఒక చోట రివైజ్ చేసుకోసారి.
Okay, sir.
ఓకేనా?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Okay, take care, beta.
Yes, sir. Okay.
And if it
sir,
is possible, I'll send you the link for that NEET 2021
yes,
beta. If you can attend, you try to attend it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes. Sir.
Okay, others you try to send it to some of your friends at least, so
Okay,
that they
sir.
can attend it. How to attend the paper and a final discussion on the first one. Okay.
ఓకే సార్. యాక్చువల్లీ సార్ నాకు క్లాస్ ఉంది సార్ 7 to 8 కెమిస్ట్రీ.
ఓకే
సో అది లేకుంటే అటెండ్ అవుతుంది సార్.
జస్ట్
సార్
ఒకసారి
ఇట్స్
పక్కన వచ్చి చూసుకో వెళ్ళిపోయేది వేరే ఫోన్ ఏమైతే
ఓకే సార్. సార్ ఏ టైం వరకు సార్ 7:30 to?
మేబీ హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ 1 అవర్ ఉంటుంది దానికి ఎక్కువ ఏమి ఉండదు.
సార్ అంటే 8కి తర్వాత కూడా ఉంటే ఐ అటెండ్ సార్. 8 o'clockకి అట్లా చాలు.
ఓకే చాలు.
ఎస్ సార్.
బాయ్.
ఓకే సార్. బాయ్ సార్.